Hello everyone. Facebook notifications are a great method through which the app alerts us of the messages, comments, likes, calls, and many more activities that takes place on our account. But these constant notifications can also cause a lot of disturbance and annoyance, which can be problematic. In such situation, you can turn off Facebook notification on your Android or iOS device through either Facebook application or mobile settings. Firstly, open Facebook application and on your newsfeed tap on the hamburger menu. Select the drop-down menu Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Under Preference, you will see Notifications. Click on it and follow this by scrolling until you find the push settings right below where you receive notifications. Tap on Mute Push Notifications and select a time period. This will stop the notification from appearing until the selected time period. If you want to stop the notification for the long term, go back using the arrow icon and tap on People You Know. Toggle off the options Allow notification on Facebook. This will prevent Facebook from displaying any notifications. Secondly, you can directly find your mobile settings and go to Notification. Search for Facebook by typing on the search bar indicated by the search icon. You will once again enter Notifications and toggle off Show Notification. This will final the deal and you'll no longer receive any alerts regarding your activities on Facebook. I hope this was a helpful video.